Welcome to our channel, where you can find the most recent news and stories about Princess of Wales, Princess Catherine and her royal family. Today we bring you a news. Prince William and Kate Middleton show signs of loyalty and unity at Earthshot Prize Awards, with Kate taking control. An expert analyzed Prince William and Kate Middleton's body language at the Earthshot Prize Awards 2022 in Boston, pointing out how their subtle gestures showed a message of loyalty and unity. Kate's body language, in particular, stood out as she conveyed she was taking control. Prince William wore a striking blue velvet tuxedo jacket paired with black pants and a black bow tie to the Earthshot Prize Awards. Kate turned heads in a rented vibrant green dress accessorized with Princess Diana's emerald and diamond choker. Body language expert Judy James analyzed the couple's body language at the event's green carpet, telling Express, "William and Kate seem to be mirroring each other more than ever before here, and this sends out an emphatic message of loyalty, unity and like-minded thinking." She added, "When they do stand or move independently, it's very much Kate taking control, looking both confident and supportive of her husband." Kate Middleton is the center of attention on the Earthshot Prize Awards green carpet. Expert says the body language expert pointed out that Kate is the center of attention, and William shows his love and pride in his expressions. When they first arrived in Boston, it was Kate throwing the flattering eye glances at William, but since then the compliment has been returned, and here we can see Kate often being the center of attention, talking and using the hand gesticulations, while William gazes at her with a facial expression of love and pride, the expert explained. James continued, "Kate is always something of a showstopper on glamorous and more formal outings like this, and William clearly loves to admire her more elegant looks. But there are also a series of touches between the couple here that imply Kate is doing more than just looking good." The body language expert said Kate's facial expression is looking a little firmer and determined at times, and pointed out the way she cupped the back of William's hand with her own as they walked into the venue. Kate can be seen taking on a leader role, James said, explaining that the Princess of Wales uses a steering and reassuring gesture of placing a hand behind William's back now and again. According to James, these gestures suggest she is becoming the central strength of both her own family and the royal firm. Expert notes William and Kate didn't appear concerned about Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's Netflix trailer. The body language expert also touched on how William and Kate didn't display any worry over the release of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's Netflix docuseries trailer. This personally important visit for William's project has taken place under the threat of dramatic exposés from Harry and Meghan, and the Wales's reply looks firm and unequivocal in the messages sent from their body language signals here, James noted.